Hey everyone, and here's my review on the Cyclone Boys 2x2. The Cyclone Boys 2x2 is I'm pretty sure it's a 50mm puzzle, and so that's about the size. Now this puzzle only comes in stickerless shades, which contrast quite well. But here this orange might look kind of pink to you, but in fact it is very bright, and in my opinion it doesn't do much, but you know, some people find that you have recognition issues with it. I did have some in the beginning, but now I find that the shades are just fine and I can recognize it perfectly. Now, for the speed of this puzzle, the puzzle is pretty fast. It has the V-cube mechanism, but surprisingly it's not at all like a V-cube 2. It's basically the knockoff of the mechanism, but it's very funny because this cube is so much better than the V-cube. It turns fast, and the corner cuts way better too. So the turning is pretty fast. It's controllable with tensioning and everything. You can arrange the speed to your liking. Next, for corner cutting. This puzzle is pretty good at corner cutting. It cuts standard 45. A bit more and it won't. And reverse, it cuts up to the curves here. So about that much. Now I think with looser tensions you can get it to cut 360 degrees, but no, it kind of locks up right here when it's just over 45, when it's not enough to reverse cut. So corner cutting is standard, speed is fine. Then what's the problem? What problems does this cube have? Well, I find that the mechanism makes it catch a bit. Well, it's not really catches, but it kind of like, it doesn't really lock up, but I guess it kind of catches a bit. But even then, that's if your turning is rough. If your turning is alright, like if your turning is accurate, then you won't have any catching problems on this puzzle. But even then, for a speed cuber, this puzzle is useless since they are since stickerless puzzles are still illegal, though you can make a force cube out of it. And this is illegal too, apparently. Yeah. So I hope they're going to change the regulations soon, because I have a whole bunch of stickerless puzzles that I really like this one, the Yushins, 3x3 and 4x4, of course. But yeah, so it's useless to a speed cuber, but if you want to mess around with a cube, this cube is good enough because, well, it's stickerless and you won't have to worry about the stickers peeling, and it's a really good cube overall. Some people have made it a force cube and made it their main. So I can't really recommend this, because if you're a speed cuber you won't find a use for it, and even if you do make a force cube with using just like these, buying 6 of them, it comes out to really expensive, unless you like make other force cubes and just sell them or something. But it's not worth the trouble to do that when you can just get a Diane or a Lingpo. So in my opinion, it's good for if you're messing around, but until the regulation for stickerless cubes is changed, I don't think it's worth it for you to get this puzzle as a speed cube. But as a cube just to mess around, it's just fine. You can bring it anywhere and solve. So thanks for watching, and of course don't take my opinion into consideration just yet. Go check out other reviews like JR Cuber or Cubics. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.